What's good? I'm Tech with Corey, and today let's get into the AirPod Pros, right? I got my AirPod Pro 3s right here, and as you can see, they got a little wear on them from carrying them so much because these are my go-to headphones. So got online and I found an AirPods case, right? So I got this thing all opened up right here. So we got the MagSafe AirPods case, right? And this thing here is magnetic. It has everything that you need when it comes to the case, right? And it's military grade, right? So it says it can withstand a 10-foot drop. It's one piece. Design gives you 360 degrees for impact and protection, right? So you got the case, you got the lid, you got all of that, right? And when you get this, they give you this cool 3-in-1 tool here, right? So if you take the tool out, you got a brush right here to clean your headphones, you got a silicone piece, and on the back side here, you just got like a little kind of cloth that you can clean your headphones with. So that's kind of cool. You also get a little latch here if you want to hook this to anything. So you got a hook right here, which I don't really need the hook, but you got those pieces, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the headphones together and show you what we're working with this, right? So you got a back side with the magnets there, the front side here, and you can just easily know to put this together. You can look backside magnets on both back sides, right? And the front is where the name is, right? So here we go. Put the headphones right in just like that. That goes at the top. Then boom, slide these down into the bottom, right? And you hear it just snap right into place. Easy. So easy to install, easy to set up. And if you look at the bottom right here, you actually had a cutout and you're good. So your headphones can actually fit into that. And here you have the TPU here. But on the thing about this was that you got these shock-proof corners, right? So if you look at the corners here, they're shock-proof corners. So they're giving you airbag protection, right? So if you were to drop this, that's where that military grade, that 10-foot drop would help you out, right? So you got the test where they've tested up to 6.5 feet, so you're good if you were to drop these, right? And like I said, at the bottom, you got your charging cable here, but they also say they have wireless charging, right? So when you put this on the back side here, you can easily wirelessly charge your headphones. So you can put them on your charging stand with that. And the magnet is pretty good. So the magnet will hold it and charge them up. So you're good there. So protection is there. Going back to the front side here, if you want to put the clip on the side, you got the clip. If you want to clip it to your backpack, to whatever you may well want, you can do that. And here in the front, if you look at it, you got the visibility light. So you can see when you're charging this and what's working of it, right? So you got the visibility light right there, and you just close this down, it snaps into place. But the cool part about these is that it's one hand where you can just control everything, right? So right here, one hand, holding it in the hand, push the button just like that. It opens up, and then I can easily just snap it right back in just like that. So cool case, military grade with that. But it's going to protect my AirPods. They got multiple colors. I like the black because it's simple, cool, unique looking. Can't never go wrong with a black case. But right here on the front, you can see the light. So you can see when you're charging. You got the cutout at the bottom. You got even a little speaker cutout there. So you got everything that you need. And when I say drop this, it's military grade on the drop. So if you're like me and looking for a minimalist lifestyle carrying case, check out this MagSafe. They got a 30-day money-back guarantee. They got a ton of different cases on there. I chose this one because it's the coolest looking one to me and has protection. And that one hand right here, holding this in one hand and pushing that up just to get your headphones open is a great setup for me. And you got 3-in-1 cleaning piece right here. So check out MagSafe. And this is their AirPods case.